Good morning, students. Now it's time for your English grammar, and we will be starting a new chapter, chapter 5, gender. The nouns have different genders. These are masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. So, nouns have different genders. These are masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. What is masculine gender and why are they used? Masculine gender nouns are used for the male persons or animals. Masculine gender nouns are used for the male persons or animals. Feminine gender nouns are used for the female persons or animals. Here are some examples of masculine and feminine genders. See, masculine nephew, feminine niece. Landlord, masculine landlord, feminine will be landlady. Father-in-law, feminine is mother-in-law. Masculine sir, feminine madam. Masculine bull, feminine cow. Masculine bull, feminine cow. Masculine hunter, feminine huntress. Masculine lord, feminine lady. Masculine is count, feminine will be countess. Masculine peacock, feminine peahen. Masculine milkman, feminine will be milkmaid. Masculine prince, feminine will be princess. Masculine, that is male person, rooster. Male is rooster, female will be hen. Stallion is masculine and feminine will be mare. Bachelor is masculine, feminine will be spinster. Fox is masculine, feminine will be vixen. Masculine is gander and feminine will be goose. Masculine is bridegroom, feminine will be bride. Masculine is monk, feminine will be nun. Masculine is duke, feminine will be duchess. Masculine is enchanter, feminine is enchantress. Masculine is master, feminine will be mistress. Emperor is masculine and feminine is empress. Common gender nouns are used for both male and female persons or animals. So common gender nouns are used for both male and female persons or animals. Like common, when there is a word, okay, in which like doctor, if I am telling you doctor, so doctor can be male or female. Okay, so here you can't distinguish that whether I am talking about a female doctor or I am talking about a male doctor. So this is the common. A teacher, it can be a female teacher, it can be a male teacher. So where the words which you cannot distinguish whether it is a male or female, that word is known as a common gender noun. Now, neuter gender nouns are used for non-living things. Again, I am telling you the common gender nouns are used for both male and female persons or animals, and neuter gender nouns are for non-living things. Like, look at some examples of common and neuter genders. Common gender person, friend, teacher, children, parents, friend, guest. And neuter gender is table, chair, bed, bag, bridge, house, computer. Again I am repeating you, like the common gender is person. You cannot distinguish whether it is person or male or female. So that comes under common gender. A friend, it can be male or female. Teacher, it can be male or female. Children, it can be boy or a girl. Parents, male or female. Friend, it can be male or female. Guest, it can be male or female. So all these words that can be used both for male and female or animals are known as common gender. Now neuter gender, they are used for non-living things like table, chair, bed, bag, bridge, house, computer. Now look at the exercise. Masculine, feminine. Masculine grandfather, feminine will be grandmother. Bull masculine, cow feminine. Father-in-law, the feminine will be mother-in-law. Next. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Milkman, milkmaid. Landlord, landlady. Masculine is Stelline, maid is female, feminine. Count is masculine, countess is feminine. Duke is masculine, duchess is feminine. Emperor is masculine, empress is feminine. Fox masculine, vixen feminine. Gander is masculine, goose is feminine. Master is masculine, mistress is feminine. Host masculine, hostess is feminine. Prince masculine, princess is feminine. Bachelor, tiger masculine, tigress feminine. Bachelor masculine, spinster feminine. The spelling of spinster is S-P-I-N-S-T-E-R, spinster. Sir is masculine, madam is feminine. Nephew is masculine, niece is feminine. Bridegroom is masculine, bride is feminine. Hunter is masculine, huntress is feminine. Enchanter is masculine, enchantress is feminine. Rooster is masculine, hen is feminine. Lord is masculine, lady is feminine. Now underline the common gender. See, the director of the company is my uncle. So director of the company is my uncle. So the word director is itself, it can be male or female. So director is the word that is the common gender. Ali is his youngest child. So the child is can be male or female. So common gender, it is can be used for both male and female. So it can be child, it can be a boy or a girl. The child is the common gender. The 5 soldiers received a bravery award. Soldiers, it can be a male soldier, it can be a female soldier. So this female soldier is a common gender. Sita is my sister's friend. Friend, it is a common gender. It can be male or female. We are kind to our servant. So the word servant, it is used for both, it can be male or female. So this, it is a common gender. Now look at the B, exercise B. This one I will be giving you homework, but before that I will tell you the answer. Copy in your notebook and write down everything. I will tell the answers. Hear the answers properly. The hunter went into the forest. So the word hunter, it is a masculine. You have the word huntress. The huntress went into the forest. The hunter the feminine will be the huntress. Next, the man ate 100 bananas. So the man is masculine and the feminine will be woman. The woman ate 100 bananas. Next, Mac is a policeman. So instead of policeman, the policeman is a female, masculine, and we have to change into feminine. That is, Mac is a policewoman. Next, the woodcutter's son helped a puppy. The woodcutter's son. Son is a masculine gender and feminine gender will be daughter. The woodcutter's daughter helped a puppy. Next, Raj's father is an engineer. Father is a masculine gender and you have to change into feminine. So the word father, the masculine or feminine gender of father will be mother. Raj's mother is an engineer. Next, the gentleman opened the door. So gentleman, it is a masculine gender and the feminine will be gentlewoman. So the gentlewoman opened the door. The dog chased the fox away. Fox is a masculine and the feminine will be vixen. The dog chased the vixen away. The monk went to church. Monk is a masculine and nun, the feminine of monk will be nun. So the nun went to church. My uncle visited Turkey last year. Uncle is masculine, the feminine will be aunt. My aunt visited Turkey last year. Next, my grandfather bought an ice cream for me. The grandfather here is masculine and the feminine will be grandmother. So my grandmother bought an ice cream for me. Look at this word color, the exercise E, color the noun clouds of each gender as instructors. So this one is the homework. Just copy in your notebook and write down doctor, common gender like this. Vixen, feminine gender. Just write down light in the sides. So I have completed this chapter. I will be giving you the worksheet and the homework which I have given you. Write down in your copy. Thank you.